I'm letting you in on a little secret. It's gonna be excellent. Alright, I'm sorry. Enough with the egg puns. It is gonna be a cracking omelette though. Me? Well, I eat this for breakfast, lunch, dinner, supper, any time of the day. You want to add a bit more to it, make some homemade chips, salad. Make sure you follow along, make it yourself, especially if you haven't made an omelette before. Start with 1 or 2 cloves of garlic. Peel them, try not to lose them in the process. Get them chopped up just roughly. Put them to the side, get your pepper, decore it, de-seed it, dice it all up. Chop a few cherry tomatoes in half, put them to the side. Chop your onion up. Next, get your bacon, slap it down, dice it all up. If you can, get some quality bacon that isn't transparent like mine. Then find yourself a non-stick pan. Bit of olive oil, pour it in, you don't need too much. Get that bacon in there and frying away. Then while you're waiting, get yourself a bowl, 4 eggs, 1, 2, 3, 4. Just a splash of milk, bulk it up a bit, salt and pepper. Get a whisk. Mine literally fell apart the other day, so I'm using a fork. But does it matter? No. Anyway, once your bacon's fried up a bit, get those onions and garlic in there. If you want to impress your mum, give it a bit of a pan flick, but it's perfectly fine just to use a spoon. Add some peppers once everything's fried up a bit. I forgot to add spinach, so here's a picture. Get the tomatoes in with the peppers. Give it a minute or two, and pour in that egg mixture. Give the pan a bit of a wobble and go around the edge with a spatula. Yep, I know that's a spoon. I've lost my spatula. Grate some cheese while that comes together. If you want cheese, that is. I don't see anyone do this with their omelettes, but I like to finish them under the grill. And for me, I think it works great. Trust me, please just try it this way and tell me what you think. It just seems to puff up and you get this lovely finish on the top. Fold it over. Let's pretend I didn't make a mess of it there. Slide it onto your plate. Let's pretend that didn't happen either. And there you go. This is great for breakfast. I'll serve it up with some sweet potato wedges or chips, and you'll have yourself an amazing tea right there. Filling, tasty, and better than cereal.